Hello students, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. In this video, I am going to teach introduction of bookkeeping and accountancy. Let us study about the branches of accounting. There are three branches of accounting. First is financial accounting, second is cost accounting, and third is management accounting. Let us study in detail about the branches of accounting. First is financial accounting. Financial accounting is the process of identifying, recording, measuring, classifying, summarizing, interpreting, analyzing, and communicating the accounting transactions of the business organization. It is the original form of accounting. The main objective of financial accounting is to make the financial information of the business available to the outsiders like creditors, customers, bank, financial institution, investors, etc. So, financial accounting is the process of identifying, which means to associate something and describe. Recording, which means to record the financial transaction into the books of accounts. Measuring, which means the representation of data in terms or hours, units or currency. Classifying, which means to identify and separate accounts into different categories like real, personal, nominal account or asset or liabilities, income or expenses, etc. Summarizing, which is the process of putting the balances of all accounts at one place. For example, to post from ledger to prepare a trial balance and then the items of trial balance are posted in profit and loss account. Interpreting means critical examination of financial statements. Analyzing, which means to examine and determine carefully. So it is a process in which detailed line of items in financial statements are carefully examined. It is done by a trained auditor or an accountant. Communicating, which means transmitting information from one person to another or from one organization to another. The purpose of financial accounting is to maintain systematic records for the ascertainment of the financial position and the financial performance of a business and communicate the same to the various users of financial statements, such as creditors, customers, bank, investors, and financial institutions. These information is presented in the form of profit and loss account and balance sheet, which shows the performance of the business during a specified period. Second is cost accounting. Cost accounting is a process to control the cost of a product. The purpose of this branch of accounting is to determine the cost, control the cost, and to communicate the cost related information to the various departments in order to make decisions and take corrective actions. So, cost accounting focuses on evaluating cost. This branch of accounting considers all factors of manufacturing to accurately determine the cost of a project or venture. Cost accounting analyzes manufacturing cost to prepare and present reports that informs decision makers on how to reduce cost or when to spend more. It monitors projects for waste and cost control. Cost accounting regularly analyzes actual cost over budget to determine future monetary actions. Third is management accounting. Management accounting is used by top management to make business decisions. It is essential for the top management to perform various management functions. It covers various areas like cost accounting, budgetary control, inventory control, statistical methods, internal auditing, etc. Management accounting also facilitates the management in assessing the impact of the business decisions made and actions taken by them in the past. So, management accounting works to improve the company's administration, enhance its profits, and provide management with financial reports that influences planning and budget. This branch of accounting performs forecasting to advise management on the best business practices to meet goals and maintain profits. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, then please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.